Carving up skeletons, ghouls and flying phantoms, that's myth. And with the heat turned on in this hell-like world, you've certainly got your work cut out. You're going to need more than just your fists. It's a case of butchering the beast. In level 1, punch and kick the skeletons until they drop a sword, and firebolts will be dropped also for you to pick up. Pick up the firebolt. Kick him again. Now jump and get that firebolt. You didn't get it. You'll have to get another one. Now get the firebolt. You'll need that later. You want the sword now, as this is the most effective and variable weapon. So keep kicking them. And time it. Time your punch. Pick up the firebolt again. Keep kicking. Punch him until he drops the sword. Pick up another firebolt. Try a green harpy. If you do get the chance, kill the green harpies. They give you extra life points. Jump, kick and punch until you get that sword. It's the most important thing in the first level. There it is. Pick it up. Switch to the keyboard and operate the greater and lesser functions to move the weapons around in the icons in the box. Keep stabbing green harpies and any skeletons for extra points. Use the sword to cut down the hanging skeleton and follow him down. The technique now is to position yourself in front of the skeleton so you're in a good place to chop off his head so it rolls into the fire. And there it goes. And there's that demon. You want to use your firebolts now to get back to your cursor keys and use the greater and less thans to variate the weapon. Avoid his firebolts by jumping, and then get him with your own. Jump around all the time. You don't want to lose life energy. There's a chance. Hit him. Bang, you've got him. Pick up the trident. You've got to get over to the right where the chimera is. You're only going to get one shot, so dodge all those skeletons. You don't want to lose any life energy now. Stop, select the trident. You've got one shot, so make it tell. Bang! And that's it. That's all we can show.